Hello everybody. In this video, you will find explanation of the third part of Act 2, Scene 2. The characters present in this scene are Bassanio, Leonardo, a servant of Bassanio, Gratiano, a friend of Bassanio, and other followers of Bassanio. Bassanio is leaving for Belmont to present himself as one of the suitors to Portia, and Gratiano requests Bassanio to let him accompany him to Belmont. Now, let's come to the detailed explanation of the scene. Bassanio: I pray thee, good Leonardo, think on this. I request you, good Leonardo, think over this. These things being bought and orderly bestowed, return in haste. When you have bought all those things and packed them up properly, return quickly. For I do feast tonight my best esteemed acquaintance, because I am throwing a dinner party tonight for my most valuable friends. Hie thee, go. Now go along. Leonardo: my best endeavor shall be done here. I will put in my best effort to get the work done, as you said. Enter Gratiano. Gratiano: where is your master? Where is your master Bassanio? Leonardo: yonder, sir, he walks. Over there, sir. Exit. Leonardo leaves the stage. Gratiano: Signor Bassanio, Mr. Bassanio. Bassanio: Gratiano. Gratiano: I have a suit to you. I have a request to make. Bassanio: you have obtained it, and your request has been granted. Gratiano: you must not deny me. I must go with you to Belmont. You must not say no to it, and my request is to accompany you to Belmont. Bassanio: why then you must? Why then you must accompany me to Belmont. But hear thee, Gratiano. But listen to this, Gratiano. Thou art too wild, too rude and bold of voice. You are very unruly, very rude, and very loud of voice, parts that become thee happily enough, and in such eyes as are appears not fault. These qualities suit you well here, and with the friends like us, they do not appear to be a fault. But where thou art not known, why there they show something too liberal? But in the place where people do not know you, then why should you show up a rather free nature? Pray thee, take pain to allay with some cold drops of modesty thy skipping spirit. I request you, take care and tone down your lively spirit by some impressions of calm and modest temper, lest through thy wild behavior I be misconstrued in the place I go to, or else through your wild behavior I may be misunderstood to the place I go, that is in Belmont. And if that happens, all my hope will be shattered. Gratiano is of a wild nature. He is very loud when he talks. So therefore, Bassanio is scared that if he shows such behavior in Belmont, then Bassanio would be misunderstood by Portia and would not get a chance to marry her. Gratiano: Signor Bassanio, hear me. Mr. Bassanio, hear me. If I do not put on a sober habit, if I do not put on a quiet habit, talk with respect and swear but now and then, talk politely and swear only occasionally, wear prayer books in my pocket, carry prayer books, look deep, look serious, nay more, while grace is saying, hood mine eyes thus with my hat, and I shall go even further, while the prayer of thanks before meal is being said, and close my eyes with my hat, and sigh and say amen, and say amen. Use all the observance of civility, use all the manner of a polite society, like one well studied in sad Austin, like the person who is practiced in putting on serious appearance, to please his grandam, as if to please his grandmother. Never trust me more. Do not ever trust me. Gratiano promises certain things to Bassanio that he would be following when he is in Belmont. And you need to remember these things, the Gratiano says. He says that he will put on a quiet behavior, talk politely, swear occasionally, carry a prayer book in his pocket, cover his eye and say amen before the prayer of thanks is said before the meal, and observe all the manner of polite society. Bassanio: well, we shall see your bearing. Well, I'll see your conduct. Gratiano: nay, but I bar tonight. You shall not gauge me by what we do tonight. No, but make an exception for tonight, and you shall not judge me for what we do tonight. Bassanio is throwing a party in the evening, and all his friends are welcome, and therefore Gratiano requests Bassanio not to judge him by his behavior that evening. Bassanio: no, that were pity. No, that would be a pity to do. I would entreat you rather to put on your boldest suit of mirth. I would rather request you to put on your most amusing manner. For we have friends that purpose merriment, because we have friends here that will come for enjoyment. But fare you well, I have some business. But goodbye, I have some work to attend. Gratiano: and I must to Lorenzo and the rest, but we will visit you at supper time. And I must join Lorenzo and others, and we will meet you at supper time. Exeunt. So everybody leaves the stage now, promising each other to meet at supper before Bassanio leaves for Belmont. With this, I end the explanation of Act 2, Scene 2. Thank you.